It started with a camping trip last year in the spring of 2016 when my wife and I went across Canada in a VW bus, and the very first morning there were bird songs. We woke up to Birdsong, and I thought, well, I should write these down, and I wrote across the country. I wrote more than a dozen down, and I thought, well, that sounds like an album maybe. So I had enough material to start composing for an album. And this January, I was playing at Herman's and parked in the basement, and I whistled a couple of notes, and I was just amazed by the sound in the bottom of the View Street Parkade. I thought, wouldn't it be wonderful if I could get a piano down here and record? So I phoned up Tom Lee, and they were kind enough to say, oh, sure, you can have a Steinway for the night. And I phoned up the city parking manager, Ismo Husu, and he was very, very accommodating. So it all worked out very well. The piano was placed right behind me, and a tuner came along for an hour on the Sunday night. And then I've had Dave Malchev come and film the session for a couple of hours. So there are 3 tunes that I'm going to be posting on YouTube, and so I played till 5 in the morning, and it was quite an experience, a recording experience like none I've ever had. So the motifs are quite simple to start with, although some of them are a little more complex, and so all the songs are based on and start with bird songs. There are a number of things that could have gone wrong. There could have been too much noise, there could have been people disrupting, too much traffic even, but it was a quiet Sunday night, and as soon as I started playing, I thought, wow, the sound in here really is amazing, it really is. And so it went very, very well, other than the odd disruption. And if you listen really closely on the CD, you will hear seagulls screaming in the distance. Scored for film and TV in my lifetime. I'm not doing much of that now. I'm doing more CD production and playing, because I love to play. I have 4 house concerts lined up, one in James Bay, one in Oak Bay, one in 10 Mile Point, and one in View Royal. So I have a Jazz Vespers as well coming out at Church of the Advent in Colwood on November 19th. And then in February, I'll be having a Jazz Vespers on West Sandwich Road in the Prospect Lake area at the Unitarian Church. And then I have a church concert in Sydney coming up in December.